How to change profile picture on YouTube Kids. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Here, enter the passcode that you have. So after doing this, you'll be in the settings interface. Here, there are different options and you can even customize it. Here on the top, tap on the profile picture. Now again, you must enter your password in order to go to settings. After entering your password, tap on next. So we in this profile section. Here on the right top, there's an edit button. Tap on this edit button. So this is the place where you can customize your profile. Here, simply tap on your profile and on the bottom, there are different options available. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. At last, here on the right top, tap on the stick button and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you